On the opening day of the Chongqing Motorcycle Show, held on September 18th, Honda stunned the world with the official debut of the all-new Honda CB500 Super 4, CB500SF. After weeks of speculation fueled by teaser images released on Weibo, the legendary Super 4 name has finally returned, this time as a true global model. At first glance, the CB500SF carries forward the unmistakable silhouette of the CB400SF that enthusiasts have admired for decades. Its proportions remain balanced and instantly recognizable, a nod to Honda's heritage. Yet, the decision to stage its world premiere in China signals an important shift. What was once a Japan-only icon is now poised to become a worldwide contender. The headline feature is, of course, the newly developed 502 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled Inline-Four DOHC Engine. This power plant replaces the aging CB400SF motor, originally derived from the 1986 CBR400R, with a thoroughly modern design built to meet today's stringent emissions standards. Even more exciting, whispers across the show floor suggest an output of around 80 horsepower, enough to surpass the Kawasaki ZX-4R, long considered the most powerful sub-500cc four-cylinder. Equally intriguing is Honda's use of ride-by-wire throttle, TBW, and the introduction of e-clutch technology, blending manual control with next-generation convenience. For purists, a traditional manual transmission will also be offered. The chassis complements the engine with a diamond steel frame, USD front forks, and an aluminum swing arm paired with a linked monoshock, delivering both modern stability and echoes of the relaxed yet rich riding feel the Super 4 name is known for. The CB500SF is not just about performance, it's also about presence. A 5-inch TFT LCD display, smartphone connectivity via RoadSync, and a distinctive naked bike aesthetic underline its modern ambitions. The Spencer-inspired silver livery with blue stripes, alongside black and red color options, ensures it stands out while honoring Honda's racing DNA. With its round headlamp, dual horns, and unmistakable Honda CB aura, the CB500SF is more than just a motorcycle. It's a revival of a legend for a new generation of riders. Set to hit the Chinese market in spring 2026, this machine is destined to carry the Super 4 name proudly into the global stage. For more information, stay tuned for the latest news, only on Moto Rider. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can build this channel together.